Side-by-side vehicles, often referred to as side-by-side or UTVs, have become a game-changer in the world of off-roading, combining rugged durability with high-performance features for both work and adventure. Over the past few years, manufacturers have elevated these versatile machines with powerful engines, advanced suspension systems, and innovative technology that ensure they can tackle the toughest terrains while still delivering a comfortable ride. In this video, we've carefully curated the top 15 best side-by-side vehicles in the world by evaluating performance, safety, design, and user-friendly features. Whether you need a dependable workhorse for heavy-duty tasks or a dynamic machine for recreational trail riding, our selection showcases models that set the benchmark for quality and innovation in the side-by-side market. RZR Pro R Factory. The 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R Factory is a race-ready side-by-side engineered for extreme performance. Boasting a 225 horsepower ProStar Fury engine, this two-seat powerhouse offers a 74-inch track width, a 104.5-inch wheelbase, and up to 29 inches of usable wheel travel for unmatched agility on the track. Equipped with advanced Fox podium shocks and a specially tuned suspension, the RZR Pro R Factory delivers exceptional handling and stability during high-speed maneuvers. Its racing-specific upgrades include a dual-clutch transmission for precise gear shifts and robust performance components designed to withstand the rigors of competitive racing. With a starting MSRP of $140,000, this elite machine represents the pinnacle of off-road racing technology and performance. Every detail is optimized for speed and durability. Am Maverick R. The 2025 Am Maverick R is a formidable side-by-side vehicle designed for off-road enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and innovation. Powered by a 240 horsepower Rotax 999T turbocharged triple-cylinder engine, it delivers exceptional acceleration across diverse terrains. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts, enhancing the driving experience. Its robust 77-inch wide suspension system features a 4-link trailing arm with an aluminum HD tall knuckle, providing superior stability and control. Riders benefit from Fox 2.5 podium piggyback shocks with QS3 compression adjustment, 30-inch ITP Tenacity XNR tires, and 15-inch flow-formed wheels, all contributing to a smooth and controlled ride. The Maverick R starts at $35,500, offering a compelling blend of power, advanced features, and rugged design for off-road adventures. Kawasaki Ridge Crew. The 2025 Kawasaki Ridge Crew HVAC is a premium side-by-side vehicle designed for both work and play, offering seating for 6 and a host of advanced features. It is powered by a groundbreaking 999 cubic centimeter inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 92 horsepower and 65.8 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring robust performance across various terrains. The vehicle comes equipped with a factory-standard full cab featuring heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, providing all-season comfort for occupants. Its long-travel double wishbone suspension and high ground clearance enhance off-road capability, while 14-inch aluminum wheels paired with 27-inch tires contribute to a smooth ride. Additional amenities include a 7-inch full-color TFT instrumentation panel, contoured seating with an adjustable driver's seat, and full doors with powered glass windows. The Ridge Crew HVAC has a 1,000-pound capacity tilting cargo bed with a detachable tailgate, accommodating various hauling needs. Priced at $31,000, this model combines power, comfort, and versatility for an elevated off-road experience. Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. The 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 4000 is a versatile side-by-side vehicle designed for both adventure and utility. Powered by a robust 999 cubic centimeter DOHC 8-valve parallel twin engine, it delivers smooth and consistent power across various terrains. The on-command system offers multiple drive modes, including two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive limited slip, four-wheel drive full differential lock, and a new turf mode with an unlocking rear differential for enhanced versatility. Equipped with Yamaha's D-Mode, drivers can select from sport, trail, and crawl settings to match their driving preferences. The vehicle features advanced suspension with Fox QS3 shocks, providing 16.9 inches of rear and 14.2 inches of front travel, ensuring comfort and capability. Additional amenities include a 7-inch Adventure Pro display with Bluetooth integration, a 2,000-pound towing capacity, and a 600-pound capacity tilting cargo bed. The Wolverine RMAX 4000 XTR starts at $28,000, while the limited edition, featuring Fox IQS suspension and additional upgrades, is priced at $29,200. Honda Pioneer 1000. The 2024 Honda Pioneer 1000 is a versatile side-by-side vehicle designed for both work and recreation. Powered by a 999 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, it delivers robust performance across various terrains. The 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission offers seamless gear transitions, complemented by multiple drive modes, including two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, turf, and differential lock for enhanced traction. Its independent double wishbone suspension provides 10.6 inches of front and 10 inches of rear travel, ensuring a smooth ride. With a towing capacity of 2,500 pounds and a bed capacity of 1,000 pounds, 600 pounds in California models, it's well equipped for heavy loads. The Pioneer 1000 starts at $17,600, with the deluxe trim at $19,000, offering additional features like aluminum wheels and under-dash storage. 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R. The 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R is a powerhouse side-by-side engineered for performance and durability. Boasting a 225 horsepower 4-stroke DOHC inline-4 engine with 1997 cubic centimeter displacement and electronic fuel injection, it delivers power through an automatic PVT transmission. The robust design features a 29.5 by 23.8 by 8.1 inch bed box with a 300-pound capacity, a 12 gallons fuel capacity, and an estimated dry weight around 2,327 pounds. With a ground clearance of 16 inches, a 136.5 by 74 by 72.8 inches overall size, and a 104.5 inch wheelbase, it supports a 740-pound payload. Enhanced with Fox 3.0 live valve shocks, Polaris Dynamics DV 3.0 suspension, Ride Command 7 inches display, and 32 by 10 to 15 Maxxis Rampage tires, this model starts at $35,000 US. 2025 CF Moto UFORCE U10 Pro. The 2025 CFMOTO UFORCE U10 Pro is a versatile and efficient side-by-side utility vehicle that excels in both work and play. Priced at an attractive $17,000 MSRP, this model features a robust 998 cubic centimeter inline triple engine delivering 88 horsepower and 69 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring ample power for demanding tasks. Its Bosch EFI system, liquid cooling, and OmniDrive CVT transmission provide smooth performance and reliability. The vehicle's dimensions include an 11.8-gallon fuel tank, 1,742 pounds dry weight, and a 1,000-pound cargo capacity with a 2,500-pound towing rating, making it perfect for heavy-duty hauling. An 8-inch CFMOTO RideSync touchscreen and push-button shifting enhance the driving experience, while safety features and premium comforts round out its impressive design. Undoubtedly, a true game-changer vehicle. 2025 Polaris RZR XP. Polaris's 2025 RZR XP redefines multi-terrain performance with a starting MSRP of $20,000 US. Powered by a robust 999cc ProStar 4-stroke DOHC twin-cylinder engine delivering 114 horsepower, this side-by-side combines power, agility, and comfort. It features a high-performance, true on-demand all-wheel drive and two-wheel drive system and an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth transitions on any terrain. The RZR XP's design includes 14.5 inches of ground clearance, a 90-inch wheelbase, and a spacious cargo box, 28 by 22 by 7 inches, with a 300 pounds capacity. Additional highlights include a 9.5-gallon fuel capacity, 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, and advanced ride command digital instrumentation, making it an ideal choice for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This innovative machine sets a new benchmark in off-road adventure. Segway UT6. The 2025 Segway Powersports UT6 is an impressive and efficient utility side-by-side engineered for both work and recreation. Available in UT6P trim, at an MSRP of $12,500, it is powered by a robust 600 cubic centimeter, fuel-injected, single-cylinder double overhead camshaft engine delivering 44 horsepower and 50 Newton-meters torque. Equipped with 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, dual A-arm independent suspensions with 9 inches, front, and 10.5 inches, rear travel, and 14-inch aluminum wheels fitted with 6-ply rated tires, this UTV effortlessly handles rugged terrain. Its spacious enclosed cabin features a premium digital dashboard and smart connectivity via an 8-inch touchscreen, offering 3-person seating. With an 11.3-gallon fuel capacity, a 1,000-pound cargo bed, 2,500-pound towing, and 1,328-pound payload capacity, the UT6 excels in versatility and performance. 2025 Polaris RZR Pro S. The 2025 Polaris RZR Pro S is a formidable side-by-side built to conquer rugged landscapes with ease. Starting at $27,000, this high-performance machine is powered by a turbocharged engine delivering 181 horsepower, providing robust power to tackle rocky trails, steep inclines, and desert dunes. Its 74-inch wide stance ensures stability and superior traction, while the available 2- and 4-seat configurations offer versatility for solo adventures or group outings. Advanced suspension systems, a responsive automatic transmission, and 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes deliver smooth, controlled handling in diverse terrains. With state-of-the-art ride command technology and modern design, the RZR Pro S sets a new benchmark in off-road performance and comfort. Engineered for unmatched performance, it excels in all terrains. 2025 CF Moto UFORCE 800 XL. The 2025 CF Moto UFORCE 800 XL is a rugged side-by-side engineered for serious off-road adventures. It is powered by an 800cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC engine that produces around 50 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth power delivery. The robust chassis features 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, responsive suspension, and a durable frame, ensuring exceptional handling on rough terrain. Designed with versatility in mind, it comfortably seats 2 riders, includes full doors for added protection, and offers a cargo bed with a 300-pound capacity. Practical specs include a 10-gallon fuel capacity, 12 inches of ground clearance, and a 95-inch wheelbase. Priced competitively at $16,000, it delivers outstanding performance, durability, and exceptional value for off-road enthusiasts. Am Maverick R Max. The Am Maverick R Max is a high-performance side-by-side designed for adrenaline-fueled off-road adventures. Powered by a 999 cubic centimeter Rotax V twin engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 130 pounds-feet of torque, it offers blistering acceleration and robust pulling power. Advanced Fox suspension with high travel shocks ensures exceptional stability over rough terrain, while its 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The Maverick R Max accommodates 2 riders with premium seating and features a spacious cargo area with a 1,000-pound capacity, a payload of about 850 pounds, and a fuel tank designed for extended runs. With a sleek, aggressive design and a price of $47,000, this model perfectly blends raw power with refined practicality. An ultimate off-road machine. Yamaha Wolverine X2000. The Yamaha Wolverine X2000 is not a model currently listed in Yamaha's official lineup. However, Yamaha offers the Wolverine RMAX 2000, a robust side-by-side vehicle designed for both recreational and utility purposes. This model is powered by a 999 cubic centimeter DOHC, 8-valve, parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and consistent power across various terrains. It features Yamaha's Ultramatic automatic transmission, renowned for durability, and backed by a 10-year belt warranty. The RMAX 2000 includes an enhanced on-command 4-wheel drive system with a new turf mode, selectable electric power steering, and a 7-inch Adventure Pro system with Bluetooth connectivity. The vehicle's suspension has advanced spring rate and damping settings for improved ride quality. Pricing for the Wolverine RMAX 2000 starts at $19,800 for the standard model, with the limited edition featuring additional amenities starting at $29,200. Segway UT10. The Segway UT10. Side-by-side is a versatile utility vehicle built for rugged work and leisure. Under the hood, it features a 1000cc liquid-cooled twin-cylinder DOHC engine delivering 105 horsepower and 95 Nm of torque. It rides on 14-inch aluminum wheels with front tires sized 27 by 9 to 14 and rear 27 by 11 to 14, and its dual A-arm suspension provides 9.6 inches front and 10.6 inches rear travel for smooth handling over tough terrain. The spacious cabin, measuring 3,975 by 1,600 by 1,920 millimeters, comfortably accommodates up to 6 passengers, while a 45 liters fuel tank, 1,500 pounds payload, and 2,500 pound towing capacity ensure heavy-duty performance. Honda Talon 1000. The Honda Talon 1000R is a high-performance sport side-by-side vehicle designed for off-road enthusiasts. It features a 999 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled Unicam parallel twin engine, delivering robust power and responsiveness across the RPM range. The 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission offers smooth gear transitions, enhancing the driving experience. Its independent double wishbone front suspension provides 17.6 inches of travel, while the rear 4+ link trailing arm suspension offers 20.1 inches, ensuring stability over rough terrains. The Talon 1000R has a wheelbase of 90 inches and a ground clearance of 13.2 inches. As of 2025, the base MSRP is $21,400, with a destination charge of $1,370.